me see that wrench. Okay. Need it out that way? No. We gotta cut it twice.
Maybe. Let me see.
I mean, we can cut it again, I guess, if you want. Yeah, fucking burn that salt all out, I think. Fuck. Need another sawzall blade. This one's dead. Got it up?
Yes,
Okay. If I have to buy 2 new sawzalls, then that's what I have to do. Fuck it. Get this shit done. Okay.
You okay?
Yep.
Oh fuck, man, that must have hurt.
Yeah, it got me good. Let's put something on there like a rag. Fucking thing. Here, let's go over here with everything. Because that way we don't run across there.
You know what I'm thinking?
Huh.
Let's put it right underneath here so no one will walk over here.
Well, that was a good one.